Heartily welcome from my side. Let me briefly introduce myself. My name is Günter Reichert. I was formerly with BMW and I'm currently acting as the spokesperson for AUTOSAR. Before we start, I would like to say a few words on AUTOSAR and on our release event. The AUTOSAR mission is to develop and establish the standardized software framework and open E/E system architecture for intelligent mobility in a global partnership of leading companies in the automotive and software industry. This means that AUTOSAR has to deliver in time and quality the software framework what you, the experts in the automotive industry, require to realize the open E/E system architecture for intelligent future mobility. The classical platform is already in a widespread use, and its continuous update is based on this worldwide experience and your feedback out of your practical application. The new adaptive platform has already found its first serious projects by some OEMs, and I'm convinced, absolutely convinced, that it will become the same success like the classical platform. The compatibility of the two approaches and their common elements as part of the foundation form an excellent base to reach our vision. AUTOSAR will be the global established standard for software and methodology, enabling open E/E architectures for future intelligent mobility, supporting high levels of dependability, especially safety and security. As most of you will know, AUTOSAR is not a classical standard with just paper documentation. Instead, it is a living standardization with continuous quality improvement and feature enrichment. The release event is every year dedicated to present the result of this continuous effort to enrich and improve the AUTOSAR standard. Now let's come to the agenda. What we will present in the next hours is an introduction of the new releases and their relation to the classical platform and to the adaptive platform of AUTOSAR, as well as to foundation and methodology. Rinat Asmus, BMW's representative in the AUTOSAR steering committee and current deputy chairperson of AUTOSAR, will give an overview on the new features and their relation to the broader context of AUTOSAR standardization. After his introduction, we will have 4 presentations, which will explain the releases in some detail. We have clustered it by vehicle energy management, safety, security, and further concepts. The presentations will be given by Manfred Zaitschek. He is the BMW AUTOSAR project leader. By Huzaifa Saadat, he is with the company OSB and represents BMW in the AUTOSAR consortium as the speaker of the working group safety. By Adrian Baruta from Toyota Motor Corporation Europe, working group security in AUTOSAR, and last but not least by Jennifer Neumüller from Denso in Germany. She's a member of the AUTOSAR project leader team and in Denso responsible for pre-development of standardization platform and software technologies. Rinat Asmus will follow these speakers with an outlook on releases planned for 2021 and on the further directions of AUTOSAR. And then we offer you a Q&A session in which you can raise your questions and our speakers will answer these. I will finish this part with a few closing remarks. But that's not all. You will even have more time to bring your expectations, comments, or questions on the table. You just call up Slido.com in your browser and enter the access code #AUT20 to send in your questions and comments using the chat function. Your questions will be answered and discussed in the networking area, which will be active after the closing of this first part. There you can get directly in touch with the experts. If you scroll down a bit, you will find the various areas. Just click on the preferred area and get in live discussion with the experts. We also will offer you an opportunity to raise questions on a potential membership within AutoSAR if you are interested to become part of our AutoSAR community. We offer you altogether 1 hour time to network after this first session with colleagues and for exchanging thoughts.